Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we're going to create this environment model in Autodesk Maya. Let's play the intro and start modeling our environment. Let's start with our front, and for that you can either take a plane or a cube. So I'm going to take a plane. Press T and make the subdivisions to 1 by 1. Go to front view and rotate this. Press T again and set up the parameters, width to 15 and height to 16. Now let's create sections for our window and door. Select this edge and add a split. Press shift right click and add a bevel. Correction to 0.29. And select this edge and add another split. Go to front view and bring it down to here. Now go to face mode, select these two faces, press Ctrl E and turn the keep faces together off and increase the offset. Now select this box or the arrow and scale down the window. Press W and pull it up. So select this face and extrude. Select this object and go to modify, then center pivot. Turn on your wireframe mode. Now go to front view. Select this edge and add a split and bevel. Correction to 0.8 and do the same for this one. Add split and bevel. Correction to 0.85. Now again select this face and extract. Go to modify and center pivot. Select this face and modify, center pivot. Press Ctrl E to extrude and increase the thickness to 0.15. Now go to object mode and place this here. Now again go to front view and go to edge mode, select this edge. Go to edge ring utility and split. Again add a bevel. 0.83 and do the same for this one. Add another bevel. 0.87. Now we need to add two more splits and bevel them. So select this edge and split. Select this edge and another split and bevel. Now select these four faces and extract. So select these four faces and combine them. And select this group. Go to modify and center pivot. So these four faces are going to be our glass and this is going to be our wood. So press Ctrl E to extrude and increase the thickness to 0.5. Again go to object mode and place it here. And select these faces and place them in this window. You can select all of them. Go to front view, press Ctrl D to duplicate and place them here to another window. Delete this face, go to front view, object mode and select all of them. Place them here. Press 4 to go to wireframe mode. And we are good to go. So our windows are done. Let's make our door. So go to face mode, select this face and extract. Again select this face, go to modify as and center pivot. Press Alt H to isolate. Now go to edge mode, select this edge and add a split. and then add a bevel. Increase the fraction to 0.8 and then add another split. Pull it up. Now go to face mode and select this face and extract it. Then again go to modify and center pivot. Select this and modify center pivot and press Ctrl E to extrude. This is going to be our door frame. So increase the thickness 0.2. Press Ctrl H to show everything. Place it here. And again select this object and press Alt H to isolate. Now go to edge mode, select this edge, add a split. Fraction to 0.7. Add another edge and bevel. Now one more edge, select this and split, then bevel. Now go to object mode and press Ctrl E, increase the thickness to 0.2. And select these two faces, press Ctrl E and decrease the thickness and increase the offset to 0.05 and thickness to -0.05. Select these edges. Go to bevel, decrease the fraction and increase the segments. Now let's make a handle for the door. So press Shift and right click to take a sphere. Go to front view. Rotate this to 90 degree. Place it here. Press T and decrease the radius. Go to top view and select these faces. Delete them. Press Ctrl E and R to scale. Pull it out and press Ctrl E again, then W. Go to perspective mode and place the handle on the door. Now let's make side and top wood panels for the house. So again take a cube, bring it to the top, go to front view. This time I'm gonna go in vertex mode, select these vertices, press V to snap and drag them to the corner. And select the top vertices and bring them down a little bit. Select the side vertices and press R to scale and scale in X-axis. Now go to face mode and select this top face. Press Ctrl E to extrude and R to scale. And again press Ctrl E to extrude and pull it upwards. Now press Alt H to isolate this. Select all these corner edges and these top and bottom edges as well. And now add a bevel. Now let's make the side panels. So take another cube, place it here, go to front view and go to vertex mode, pull the vertices to the side and go to object mode, modify and center pivot. Press R to scale and scale in the y-axis. Now again press Alt H to isolate. Go to edge mode, select all the edges and add a bevel. Increase one segment and fraction to 0.3. Now go to front view and vertex mode. Select all these vertices, press P to snap and pull them up. Now do the same for these bottom vertices. Select them and pull them down. Now make a duplicate, press Ctrl D and place this here. Now go to front view again. Select this front object and go to vertex mode. Select the bottom vertices and drag them down. And do the same for these side panels. Select them, go to vertex mode, select the vertices and bring them down. Now let's create a front porch for this house. So again take another cube, bring it down. Go to front view. Go to vertex mode, select these bottom vertices and pull them up. Now select these vertices and bring them to the end of this side. And these ones to here. Go to object mode and bring this box out. Go to top view, press 4 to see the wireframe. And again go to vertex mode, select these front vertices and bring them out. Now go to face mode, select this face, press Ctrl E and offset to 0.45. Now press Ctrl E again to extrude and increase the thickness. Now let's make those wooden railings, and for that I'm going to take a cylinder, bring it out and go to front view. Press E to rotate. Press T and decrease the radius. Set the height to 3.5 and subdivision axis to 16. Take another cylinder, pull it down and press T, decrease the radius to 0.07 and subdivisions to 14. Go to front view, place it up here and select this log and pull it down. Select this log again and press Ctrl D to duplicate. Go to top view and make sure this log is on top of both of them. Now go to front view again, place them here. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate and place this one here. Now let's take another cube to make the rest of the house. Place it here. Press T. Take the width to 15 and height to 10. And depth to 15. Go to right view. Go to right view and bring it down. In perspective view, press Alt H to isolate. Select this front face and delete this. Press Ctrl Shift H to show everything. Now go to right view and select this object, go to vertex mode, select these vertices, bring them down. Now go to face mode, select this top and duplicate. Select this face, go to modify and center pivot. Press Ctrl E to extrude. Increase the thickness to 0.15. Press R to scale. Scale it just a little bit. Now select these side panels, press Ctrl D to duplicate, rotate them, go to right view and place them here. And again press Ctrl D, make another duplicate, rotate this, place it here, select the vertices, select both of them, press Ctrl D to duplicate and place them on this side. Go to back view and place them here.